Hello from Car Key Solutions workshop, where today we've got a Range Rover SVR. This vehicle has been stolen and recovered, and we just show you the extent of the damage this vehicle went through in the process of being stolen. In the boot, to start with, a lot of stripping has been made, panel being removed to get to a particular control unit, which was also been replaced by theft in order to get the vehicle running. Now, from there, they also have removed this control unit, which is a factory tracker. They have literally ripped it out in order to stop vehicle being tracked. They had caused more damage, and this time to the steering wheel. They cut the steering wheel in order to release the bar that was blocking the steering wheel to be turned. Now, some upgrades can be done, and one of them for this particular car will be to relocate this control unit in a different position inside the car, so it cannot be easily found when it's looked for it. This is a custom solution, but a general solution for any vehicle will be to install a ghost to immobilizer, which significantly reduces the chances of the vehicle being stolen. We offer custom solutions depending on the vehicle, starting from trackers, relocating control units, relocating port connectors, diagnostic connectors, install custom alarms. So according to vehicle weakness point, we can advise the best way to secure your vehicle. So if you need advice, do get in touch and we'll be more than happy to assist you.